Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 15th of June 2025, and today I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 20th. Now, and also let me just say something. Since these videos I've had paused making them for the last 3 months due to school exams, these values are only going to be filled in for the current week, as of next week onwards, I will be able to make more inferences. Since right now I didn't have recent data, these are accurate since I just looked at the charts for the previous week. Although these values aren't filled in, these are all correct based on the chart previous week value. Now, the current max OI level for the CE is 350 and 340 for PE, where the open interest at the 350 strike level is 42,700, and the open interest at the PE is 14,487. The current put to call ratio is 1.09, which is negative, and the quantity is positive because the call's open interest is more. The implied volatility currently is 62.72%, and the historical volatility is 66.41%. The current RSI is 53.12, which is, well, it's decreasing, so negative. There is no divergence, which is negative. There's a positive MACD. Let me make that positive, sorry. DMI is bearish, which is negative. ADX is decreasing. That's negative to 20. It's currently 20.52. ATR is also increasing, which is negative. Both EMAs are increasing. That's two positives. VWAP is at 314.22, which is lower. That's negative. And the candlestick is bullish. That's positive. The current support is The current support is well, these are actually not accurate, so we would need next week's data to be able to determine this. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.